Hi everyone and welcome back to the Benny Don Crazy Marcus YouTube channel, and that is episode number 6 of Adventures of Cooking with Marcus. So today, I know it's Valentine's Day, but we're going to do it on a budget. A meal that may not please the missus or the girlfriend. We're making sausage roll and chips. The ingredients we have are same as when we made the pie, ready-made pastry. We've got some eggs to just glaze over the pastry, give it that nice golden colour, and of course sausage. Can't wait to make it. Okay guys, so next thing we're going to be making the sausage rolls themselves. So basically what I'm going to do is just sort of place the sausages on the pastry, try to spread them out a bit. Think we might need the other pack of pastry in order to do 9. Not too sure yet. Stay. Okay, so I've spread them out equally, guys. Now I'm just gonna cut the pastry down the middle. Then just simply down here as well. Okay guys, time to make the sausage roll themselves. Bit of egg yolk on my brush and just gently spread the yolk along the one edge, okay? Then you just fold the pastry over like so and just push it down so it sticks. Then just make some ever so little indents on the top just to help it breathe while it's cooking. There you go guys, sausage roll, Greggs, eat your heart out. What? Okay guys, they're all made up now. Probably going to taste a lot better than Greggs because they're homemade. Just going to give them a little coating of egg, just to give them that nice golden coloured crust. Loved sausage rolls from when I was a little kid. One of my favourite meals would be sausage rolls, chips and gravy. Okay, everyone, time to get the chips ready. I think I've cut a hole in the bag, just have a look. No, I haven't. There we go. Just whip it open a bit so I can get some out. Okay guys, going to put the chips in the oven. Hopefully we don't have the usual problem. They might take longer than the sausage rolls. Whereas the sausage rolls will possibly only take 20 minutes. Look gorgeous. Greggs, eat your heart out. Okay, all in the oven. Can't wait to taste them. Who needs Greggs when you can make sausage rolls homemade? Okay, sausage rolls are done, hopefully. Just going to try get them out the oven now. Hopefully I don't drop them. Okay, as usual, chips need a bit longer, but I think the sausage rolls are just about done. So what I'm going to do is plate them up, wait for the chips, plate the chips up, then it'll be time to eat. Okay, everything's done, time to plate it up. Look at them guys, definitely look better than how you get from Greggs. Couple chips. Mum's next. Hopefully not drop the chips on the floor. They are sort of balanced a bit precariously. Action. Okay guys, everything's ready. Scooter Sue's the taste tester.
I'm the guinea pig.
Mike is there. He's on camera. Let's see if Sue likes them.
Chips are alright.
Yeah, the chips are alright, but try sausage rolls.
I want to get a bit with some sausage in.
Nice.
I am surprised. I was a little bit worried then when I cut into it, whether the sausage was actually cut through, but it is really, really nice.
She's a cheeky git, this one, ain't she?
Much better than Greggs, definitely. Guys, I'll cut through and
You want to
Try
come
and show
try yours and I'll be cameraman for a bit, Dad?
I don't know whether you can see that on the camera. Gorgeous pastry.